I'm at a local shop in Gaul, and this is how hoppers are made. It's made with rice flour and quite similar to the appams that you get in Kerala, however slightly different because they're more crispy. Oh, look at that. Yum yum. And this super quick as well. So we've come to this place called Caravan Fresh, which is just near our Airbnb on Bernard Soisa Mavatha Road. So Vijaya has taken the vegetable and cheese puff. Also we realized that the vegetarian options in Sri Lanka is quite less. It's very limited. It's all about fish, chicken, beef. So we had about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options, out of which only 2 of them were vegetarian. So I've taken, there was a cheese sandwich too, which is, so I've taken a really nice puff which has ham and chicken and a chocolate eclair. So this meal costed us 220 rupees. This was 90, and sorry, this was 70, and this was 90. So comparatively, if you exchange it in Indian rupees, how much does it come out to? So 220. Also, fortunately for us, we're both using Oppo phones. So Oppo phone has this inbuilt exchange rate, which means that we don't have to go to Google web search to put in the exchange rates. How cool is that, right? So Vijaya is making some bread butter jam, and I'm trying the string hoppers for the first time with some coconut chutney, and let's see how it is. Very similar to the idiyappam that we eat in Kerala, and the coconut chutney is a hero here. Also, one thing that there is a place called Spice Road, just near the Airbnb where we're staying on the Bernard Sosa Mavatha Road, and the food looks amazing. So spearfish curry. There is carrot salad and chopsy. And all of this is for 280 Sri Lankan rupees. I mean, isn't that amazing? So Vijaya has taken a vegetarian rice and curry, and I've taken a non-vegetarian rice and curry. So this is spearfish, papadam, rice, chopsy, carrot salad, and I'm going to try and see how this is. Another thing, we've taken red rice. The curry is very different from what I usually eat or what we get in India. It's spicy and quite peppery. Also, the body of the curry is actually does not have any coconut, but it's still quite yummy. I'm trying the fish now. Fresh. Chopped is also good. So we're gonna eat this and then have some desserts. So because of this Bruce, I'm trying to eat as nutritious and healthy I can. So I've taken the orange juice for 50 Sri Lankan rupees. Let's see how it is. Pretty nice. I like how they've added chia seeds and only 50 rupees. Isn't that a good deal? I've come to a local shop to eat some lunch, and this lady has prepared some chicken curry. Also, I realized that there is a version of puttu that they call as puttu in Sri Lanka, and she's going to show me how they make it or how the Sri Lankan version is made. So let's have a look. So this is coconut
and white flour.
White flour.
And salt.
Salt. Okay.
Put little water.
Oh, okay. There is no rice in this?
No.
No rice. Okay. And there's already the puttu vessel ready. So there's water in it, and we add this mixture in that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put water, boil it.
Okay. So this mixture will be added in this, and then it's steamed.
Yeah.
And the steam helps the puttu cook or pittu cook. And I'm going to eat this with some chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Boil it.
Okay, so this is the chicken curry?
Yeah.
Oh, yum, yum. Did you eat lunch?
Yeah.
You ate, okay.
I breakfast eat.
So that is pittu. Pittu. And it's quite similar to the puttu we eat in Kerala. However, in the Kerala version or the Indian version, the rice flour is put, and then there is like a layer of coconut, and then again the rice flour. In this, the coconut is mixed with the rice flour and the flour already. So pretty excited about trying this, and I'm eating this with chicken curry. So there is some spicy chicken curry that looks yum and smells yum. And okay. Nice.
One enough or?
Yeah, this is enough.
Enough.
It's also quite heavy. Yeah,
Good or no good?
it's good. It's slightly lumpy and not powdery like puttu, but good, very nice with the Sri Lankan curry. And the lady told me that this is usually eaten in breakfast.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not like a lunch or a dinner item.
Yeah.
It's just a breakfast
Somebody take dinner.
item. Okay. For dinner you
Lunch no like
lunch
that.
no lunch, but
want rice.
rice, yeah. But I'm fortunate enough to be able to eat this. Thank you. Post lunch, I'm trying this dessert. What is it called? Vatalapan. Vatalapan. So it's like a coconut custard.
Coconut. No, this
Jaggery.
Jaggery.
Ah, so jaggery.
This side.
Oh.
Jaggery.
Yeah, so
and
that's brown jaggery
Yeah.
and coconut
and egg.
egg. Okay, egg custard. So I'm gonna try this. Looks
And vanilla.
good. Vanilla
Yeah.
essence. It's just like the creme caramel that we eat in Irani restaurants, but it has a lot of holes. So
This vatalapan. Cream caramel.
it's different. Yeah. Like I think cream caramel is very light.
Yeah.
This is not light.
Choke.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. This is slightly dense and
Yeah.
heavy, but it's still good. You can taste the jaggery and
Good jaggery.
good jaggery.
Yeah. This one maybe sugar mix. This
Okay,
one.
okay. But this
Has
is
good jaggery.
good jaggery.
Very tasty. Nice taste.
And was priced at 75 Sri Lankan rupees. So if you want to conclude your lunch, dinner or a meal with a dessert, try vatalapan. I found a grocery store just near the hostel I'm staying at, and it has some really nice produce of vegetables, and I wish that the hostel had a kitchen so that I could cook my own meal. But nevertheless, I am trying the Golden King coconut that you find in Sri Lanka. It's priced at 70 Sri Lankan rupees, and it's a little different from your normal coconut. It's slightly sweeter. Actually, काफी मीठा होता है. So I came back to the city center to buy some food, and I needed to go to the ATM. So what you hear is puttu. So in case you come to Sri Lanka and Kandy, and if you've been missing Indian food, then there is a chain of Balaji dosai throughout Sri Lanka. It serves some Indian food such as dosai. So they have dosa, they have vada. And what is this called? Bonda. Bonda.
Are you Indian?
Yes.
Aloo bonda.
Aloo bonda. Yes. Yeah. We have come to Balaji dosai. How do you feel?
Nervous, excited, enthusiastic, hungry.
Okay, so this is the coconut chutney.
Okay.
This is sambar.
We have coconut chutney here as well, right?
Yeah, sambar is made out of lentils, vegetables. This is a mixed vegetable. It's the same batter, but this is steamed, so this is more healthy.
That is why the color is white.
Yeah, enjoy.
Okay, what do I do with this?
So yeah, just with your hand.
Pick up. Am I allowed to use my left hand?
No, you don't have to.
So I've got to really...
I'm trying the super hot potato samosa, and see ya. Ooh, sorry. Let me see you in this side. Yes. You got? Yum. You get 3 of these for like 100 rupees, and it's worth it. Hope you enjoyed my travel vlog from Sri Lanka and the food stories. If you ever get the chance, please visit this beautiful country, Sri Lanka. Also, subscribe to the Meraki Explorer, like, comment and share this travel vlog. Stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.